How to create an Amazon account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I'm simply going to guide you on how you can create an Amazon account very easily so that you can start shopping or either selling on Amazon. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, what we are going to do is we are going to simply open any browser which we have on our device. Once you open the browser, in the search box we want to type in amazon.com. So once you go to amazon.com, you can see this is how the home interface of the Amazon website looks like. Now let's say we want to actually shop products on Amazon, but for that we will have to create an account. So in order to create an account, on the top right hand side you'll be able to see this icon. You can simply tap on it, and here if you already do have an account, you can simply tap on sign in. But if you don't, you want to simply tap on new customer, start here at this button right over here which says start here, and it is highlighted in blue. So go ahead and tap on start here. As you tap on start here, what you want to do is it says us create account. So first of all, we want to simply enter our name. Once you enter our name, you also want to enter your phone number. And after that, we will have to choose a password. So go ahead and make sure to choose a strong password which has all the uppercases and lowercase numbers and letters. And also make sure that you actually remember the password, so you can note them down somewhere if you think you cannot remember the password. Once you fill in all of the details such as your name, your mobile number, your email, or your password, or your re-entering password, then you can go ahead and tap on verify mobile number. And as you tap on verify mobile number, it is going to send an OTP code to your mobile number which you just typed in. So go ahead and first of all solve this puzzle. So we are going to simply verify a simple captcha right over here. So we are going to simply wait for the OTP code until we receive it on our phone. After that, go ahead and tap on create your Amazon account, and you can see that we have successfully created our Amazon account right over here. Now you can go ahead and shop products on Amazon without any limitations. So this was the way on how you can very easily create an account on Amazon. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.